Konnichiwa, noodle enthusiasts! Welcome to our flavor-packed adventure through the delicious realm of Japanese ramen. As your ramen raconteur, our mission is to unveil the mysteries of this beloved comfort food. Today, we're embarking on a slurptastic journey. Nothing compares to the aroma of a fragrant broth, a sensory delight akin to a warm embrace. Before plunging into this culinary exploration, let's briefly touch upon ramen's origins. Legend suggests a starving samurai first stumbled upon ramen, mistaking noodles for his sword. Thankfully, he didn't try to slice them. Now, let's embark on our noodle quest. Our journey unfurls a world of noodles, each with its own unique charm. We have thin noodles, delicate and tangled, a favorite for many. Then there's the thick noodles, robust and filling, chewy and satisfying in every bite. Think about the flat noodles, wide and slippery, gliding effortlessly through the savory broth. Don't forget about the curly ones, twisted and unique, ready to be slurped up. Their diversity isn't just in their shape and size, but also in the flavors they carry, the way they absorb the soups they swim in. From the common street food stalls to upscale restaurants, the world of noodles presents a delightful culinary landscape, inviting all ramen lovers to explore, savor, and celebrate. But no matter your preference, there's a noodle for everyone. Now let's talk broth. As the centerpiece of every delectable bowl of ramen, this divine concoction is what separates a good bowl of ramen from a great one. The broth, a seemingly simple liquid, contains an orchestra of flavors that dance on your tongue and sing to your soul. It's not just water boiled with ingredients, it's a labor of love, a time-honored tradition. The chefs pour their heart into making each batch, their expertise and passion evident in every spoonful. The broth commands your attention with its vibrant, robust flavor. It's the symphony that plays in the background of each bite. A melody of umami, sweet, sour, bitter, and salty notes working together to create a harmonious flavor profile. The rich, velvety texture coats your palate, leaving a lingering taste that keeps you coming back for more. Deeply satisfying, it's like a warm, comforting hug in a bowl. The overwhelming richness of the broth might surprise you. Its depth of flavor achieved through hours, often days of simmering. The ingredients meld together, their individual flavors melting into one, creating a broth that's so much more than the sum of its parts. Every sip is a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into creating this culinary masterpiece. Trust me, it's so rich, even the ducks are lining up for a dip. And what's a bowl of ramen without its toppings? The chashu pork, tender and exquisitely cooked, is known for its flavor that would have you savoring each bite, practically melting in your mouth while simultaneously igniting an explosion of taste. The soft-boiled eggs, not just an ordinary ingredient but a vital piece of the puzzle, are meticulously prepared to perfection, providing a well-rounded, hearty element that complements the pork in a symphony of flavors. Then there are the fresh vegetables like the crisp green onions and the earthy mushrooms. Their textures and tastes add depth and contrast to the rich broth. Green nori, bouncy noodles, and perhaps some spicy chili oil all come together to create this ultimate comfort dish. Each ingredient, prepared and presented with the utmost precision, adds its own unique flavor to the mix. Ah, the slurp, a true art form in Japan, a captivating and fascinating ritual deeply entrenched in their culture. In this land of the rising sun, the slurp is more than just a simple act of consuming food. It signifies a deep appreciation of the meal, a sonorous tribute to the chef's skills. The slurp is a symphony performed at dinner tables, a reverberating sound echoing in bustling ramen shops and quiet family kitchens alike. It is a form of nonverbal communication, a universal language, a testament to the joy experienced while indulging in a delectable meal. Contrary to the silence maintained in Western dining etiquette, in Japan, the louder you slurp, the more you're enjoying it. So don't be shy. Express your appreciation for the meal through the music of slurping. My apologies to the sound engineers. From its savory secrets to its noodle nomadic origins, ramen has truly stolen our hearts and filled our bellies. Discover the clandestine tales of its journey, unleashing mouth-watering magic in each slurp. Venture with me on a tantalizing trip, diving deep into the world of flavorful broths and chewy noodles. As we bid goodbye, remember, a life devoid of savory ramen is hardly one to relish. Embrace the slurps, stay and join me for another toothsome journey next time. Subscribe for more tasty adventures. Hungry for more? Subscribe to our channel for weekly foodie fun.